So you've decided to start trading on the US30. That's great. But here's the reality. If you're not following the rules and sticking to a discipline, you're setting yourself up for failure. And you know, I see this all the time. Traders, they jump into the US30 with full excitement, but then they leave discipline right at the door. And let me tell you, that approach is costing you a lot of money. And this is why I stress and I emphasize over and over again to my students to make sure you follow a strict discipline. Our discipline. This is what I teach. And this is why our US30 Telegram is so important, because I'm guiding them right into the money. So it's not always about the strategies that I teach my students that is allowing them to find consistency in the market, making profit. It's really about the discipline that I instill in them. Because you see, trading is not about having all the best tools. It's about knowing how to effectively use them. And not just sometimes, but every single time. You know, many traders thought they would come to the US30 and cut some corners and do this and do that. But they quickly realized that the market makers are sitting there waiting on them like, come on over here. Come on over here. Got them. Some of them take impulsive trades and they just totally ignore the guidelines that are laid out, but then complain that the markets are rigged or that people are a scam. The broker this. You guys know what they all say. But one person that they never blame is themselves for the lack of discipline. One thing about the US30, it's unforgiving if you don't want to follow the rules. And this is why I emphasize discipline on all levels. That's discipline in waiting for the right setups, discipline for your money management, and surely discipline in your execution. You see, my students are winning because everything that I teach, they all work together. From LCS, the logical crash strategy that helps my students realize those 12 areas where the market will go to where the big moves happen. We have TPES, where it shows them how to execute the trade for entry. We have SIT, which shows them how, after they enter the market, how they can ride the market up or ride the market all the way down. And even before that, we have VPAS that shows them how to read each candlestick one candle at a time. And of course, we have SMS to let them get into the groove of how the market is flowing, so they'll know when it's time to get out the trade and all of that. You see, I'm not just teaching you these strategies, but I'm also teaching you how to think while you're trading on the market. Because it's really about your mindset, it's about the psychological side. And you see, when my students get into the US30 Telegram group, they're getting more than just signals, alerts, and insights. They get guidance on how to follow the process, step by step, move by move. And you know, this isn't guesswork. This is a system. And systems, in order to be successful at it, they have to run well. And when you follow the discipline, you get positive results. You know, just like so many of my students you guys have seen on the US30 assassins.com website, so many of them are changing their lives with the US30 Telegram group. And so can you. So if you're tired of losing on the US30, you have to commit. You have to commit yourself. Commit yourself to a discipline and stick with it. And it's not just to the strategy, but also to the discipline. Now, I want you guys to join me and my students in the US30 Assassins Club inside of our US30 Telegram group, where I'm giving them real-time alerts, signals, insights on market moves, walking them through every play or every setup, play by play. I want you to take part in that so that you can comprehend the discipline, so that you can get on board and learn how to be successful like my students. It's time for you to finally get the right guidance needed in order for you to be successful, and stop blaming everybody for the decisions that you're making. So when you're ready, go and visit the US30assassins.com, get registered, get signed up, and I can get you connected to our US30 Telegram group. And remember, trading success isn't a mystery. It's all a process. It's you following the discipline. The question is, are you following the right discipline or the wrong discipline? While both could be rewarding, one will give you consistency in making profit. So just to tell you guys all the time, have nothing short of a fantastic day. Remember, stay healthy, stay safe. As always, remember to remain and stay creative in the times we live in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and blessings, everyone.